Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class. And today, before I proceed in our discussion about the location of South or location of Africa, I would like to remind you, and I want that all of you should know where all the different continents, all 7 continents are located. All the 7 continents are located. And I have told this many times, yet I find or I realize that many of you are not aware which are the continent and where are they located, which part of the world. That is not understood till now, and those who have understood, fine enough, but many of you have not understood, and therefore I'd like to repeat today. That is, we have got the 7 continents. Whole world is divided into 7 continents, huge land masses on which many countries are situated, or the people of different countries are living. So whole world is divided into 7 continents. The number 1 is Asia, where we are also the part of it. So Asia is, see, this area, all this area from here to here, and all this part of Asia, whole of Russia, China, Kazakhstan, main countries I am telling, the India, Saudi Arabia, then Iran, Iraq, Pakistan, Malaysia, and Philippines, Japan, all these are the part of Asia. They are in the east part of they are in the eastern hemisphere and east part of the world. Asia is in the east part of the world. The next number comes Africa, which is just in the middle of the world. It is in the middle of the world. The equator passes through it and divides Africa into 2 equal halves. And for that matter, all the important lines of latitude, that is equator lines, the Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, all they are passing through it, or they cut across Africa. So Africa is just in the middle. It is the 2nd largest continent of the world. The 3rd continent, largest continent, is North America. North America also is very large. It looks bigger than Africa, yet it is the 3rd largest continent, and it is in the west. North America. See that, North America, this area in the eastern hemisphere, northeastern hemisphere of the world. The fourth one is the South America. This is also, this lies in the southern hemisphere, and the lines of the equator passes through it. Equator passes through it here, and then it divides just here. And then this is the first, second, third, fourth largest. South America is the 4th largest continent of the world. The 5th largest continent of the world is not Europe, it is Antarctica. Antarctica is here. Whole southern part, south point, whole south point is the southern hemisphere, Antarctica. It is shown here in the white patches here. You see white patches here, and so this is the 5th largest continent is Antarctica, and the 6th largest continent is Europe. Here it is. Europe is just here. Some from Arctic Circle to the latitudinal lines of latitude of Cancer. Yes, yeah. Not the Capricorn, Capricorn, not Cancer. But here, just here, is the what called sixth largest continent, and the seventh one is Australia. Naturally, Australia is the seventh one. So here lies Australia. Here is Europe, and so don't misunderstand or don't forget which continent is situated. We are discussing about Africa. Africa, its location. Africa, its location. And so we are going to locate Africa. So it is stretch. Africa stretches from 37 degree north latitude to 35 degree south latitude. North latitude 35 degree north latitude to south 35 degree south latitude. Okay, this is the hemisphere. This is the equator, passes through it, and then northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. And so here till here Africa stretches from 37 north to 35 south latitude. And from the 17th degree west longitude 17 degree, yes, just here 17 degree west longitude to the here it is 34 45 50 51 degree eastern longitude is longitude. So that is what the whole location of Africa is. In this page number 154 in your book also is given. You can see for yourself very nicely. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is only continent which is divided by equator. This only continent which is divided by equator, half. The Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn also passes through it. Africa occupies central position of the world. Most Africa lies in the tropical region, that is equatorial region and Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. Then north and almost touches the Gibraltar in the north, and in the Europe north and almost touches Europe in the northwest at the Strait of Gibraltar. In the northeast in the northeast Strait of in northeast the Suez Canal. Here is the Suez Canal. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea is connected by the Suez Canal here, and this makes the traveler easy sail for the all European to sail easily. Earlier they used to come like this, and they have to pass through this Cape Town and Cape of and then it was very difficult. Those days it was until today the three seas, that is Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean, they meet here. And so here the water is always disturbed, sea is always disturbed, and it is not at all easy to cross it. And so now once it is crossed, this cape is crossed, this part of the world is crossed, the sea, and then this side towards the eastern hemisphere it is easy sail. In the west only it was disturbed sea, and that's why they have named it as Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope, this cape. Last southernmost end tip of Africa is known as Cape of Good Hope. The last end, the Cape of India, last end is known as Cape Comorin, or the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the last tip of India. Earlier they used to say that Indira Point, that India Point has already submerged inside, and so it is now Cape Comorin is or Kanyakumari is the last point of India. So also last point of Africa is Cape Town here, Cape Town. So Cape of Good Hope is the last end, and from there if the sailors it was easy. Nowadays, they don't have to go around Africa. They can go straight to Red Sea and cross the other side in Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. So it's easy to go. So this is the busiest route, okay, to Europe. And so this is how the explanation of this is. So thank you. Next time we'll see the political divisions of Africa. Political division of Africa.